Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by accessing Recorder app, and if you never used it before, selecting Allow. Now to start recording, click on this blue button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. If you want to add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it, on the right one. As you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, tap on it. In order to rename it, go back, hold it, and choose Rename option at the bottom in the middle. Then type in wherever you want to and select OK. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it again. But this time select Delete next to Rename at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!